Ever walked past first-class seats and thought, I wish I was sitting there? Well, you're not alone. But what if I told you there are ways to get upgraded to first class for free? Yep, without paying those sky-high ticket prices. Tips for domestic flights. When it comes to domestic flights, most airlines offer free upgrades to their loyal frequent flyers. The best shot? Earn elite airline status. But if you're not an elite member, there are still chances. How elite status works. V upgrades are prioritized by elite status. If you're a top-tier member, you'll rank highest on the list. You can request an upgrade when booking or checking in, and if there's availability, you might just get that surprise upgrade before boarding. The operational upgrade. In rare cases, airlines may oversell the economy cabin but still have first-class seats open. This is when they offer what's called an operational upgrade. Elite members usually get first dibs, but if you're traveling solo, you may get lucky. Volunteering for a flight bump. Another tip? If your flight is overbooked, you can volunteer to take a later flight. And here's the trick. Ask the agent for an upgrade in return. You could score a first-class seat like travel expert Bobby Laurie did on his flight from Phoenix to San Diego. Using airline credit cards and points. Having an airline-branded credit card also boosts your chances. If you don't score a free upgrade, some airlines offer discounted upgrades at check-in, which you can pay for with miles instead of cash. Upgrading on international flights. Upgrading on international flights is trickier. Free upgrades are rare, and most airlines don't offer them to elites. However, top-tier elites with system-wide upgrade certificates can redeem those for a chance to upgrade to business class. How to score a discounted international upgrade. But even if you're not an elite, don't give up. Some airlines, like Etihad and Hawaiian, allow passengers to bid for an upgrade. Others, like Qatar and KLM, may offer discounts at the check-in desk if seats are still available. Common upgrade myths busted. Let's bust some common myths. Dressing up doesn't increase your chances of an upgrade, and simply telling a flight attendant it's your birthday or honeymoon won't either. Upgrades are based on status, not special occasions or wardrobe choices. So, while first-class upgrades aren't guaranteed, these tips could help you land one. Keep an eye on your status, and remember, sometimes luck's on your side. Ready to fly in style? Safe travels. Want more insider travel tips? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more videos like this.